Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a real estate website using WordPress. So let's begin. What are the requirements to create a real estate website using WordPress? You need a hosting plan. So I have purchased Ultimate Linux hosting with cPanel plan in GoDaddy. Second, you need a WordPress theme. So I have Homeid theme. I will use this Homeid theme to create a real estate website. So let's begin. In the GoDaddy, come to web hosting and click on manage. First, I am going to install WordPress. Go to cPanel admin. Here you will see the dashboard of cPanel. Come to the section software. Click on install later on application installer. Click on applications browser. Come down, you will see a WordPress. Click on the WordPress and click on install this application. So it will ask you where to install WordPress, in which directory. I am giving here real estate because I am going to create a real estate website. So the URL will be tutorialsfor.com/real estate and all the files and directories will be in public HTML/real estate folder. So this is the settings you have to set. So I am selecting do not automatically update WordPress plugin, and I am selecting do not create a backup. Here you have to give username, password and email for your website. Please guys remember these credentials because when you log in into the WordPress dashboard, then you need these credentials. Click on install. It will take some time to install the WordPress. So installation is completed. You can see that this is the URL for the real estate website. So as of now, WordPress is installed in the GoDaddy and this is the default theme. To customize, you have to go to this URL real estate/wpadmin. Will ask you some starter template. Click on anything. I am choosing Keynote and start with this template. It will ask some options. Select as per your requirements. Click on finish setup. It will install the template which you selected just now. It will take some time. Till that time, I will extract this Homeid theme so that I can upload this theme. So you can see that I have extracted the theme. Here the Keynote theme has been installed. So let's go into the real estate/wp admin. It will open the WordPress dashboard. Write your username and password. So the dashboard to the admin is open. From here you can manage your website. You can upload themes, plugins, create pages, menus, posts, categories, and many more. So now I want to install Homeid theme so that I can build real estate website. So I'm going to the appearance and themes. Here you can see the themes which are there as of now. So I will click on add new. Here you can see some free themes, but it has limited features. So I'm uploading my theme, choose file, and I'm selecting home ID. Click on open, click on install now. Here it will take some time to upload the theme. So here you can see that theme installed successfully. So I am going to the themes again. So here you can see that my theme has been uploaded. So I am going and clicking on activate. I am switching the theme from Keynote to Home ID. So new theme is activated. Now you have to install plugins so that all the features of the theme will work as per the requirement. So I will install one by one all the plugins. So here you can see that I have installed all the required plugins of the theme and activated them. So here no plugins to install, update or activate. Now what I will do is I will go to the home ID option and click on install demo. So here you will see a lot of options to import uh, as per the pages required. So I am selecting this one, import. Here it is asking you to type install. Okay, it is importing. It will take some time to install all the demo content. So all the demo content has been imported. Now you can see that our theme has been successfully installed and all the demo content is here. Now I will customize this website. So first I will do home. With settings, I will select a default page. Default home page. I will select home one. Click on publish. So now visit to the website. So here you can see that our theme is ready. So here you can see that a beautiful website where all the properties has been listed. So now we can customize more, like I want to remove dollar and I will change to RS, like rupees. So theme options will be inside real estate options. General country, I will change it to India. Skip options, setup page, it's like that only I'm keeping. Where it's slug, price format, I'm changing the currency sign to skip options. I'm selecting automatically publish the submitted property to yes, so that whenever a user listed the property, it will get displayed on the property listings page. If kept no, then admin has to approve his properties. Save options. And accordingly, you can see all the options one by one. Now I will go to the theme and I will refresh this page. Here we can see that the currency is changed to RS. Change. I will keep only RS. It is showing RS. So now let's try and add our property. So user has to subscribe one. I'm selecting free package. Now I'm going add list. So these are our details. Location you have to add. Property type house. Status for rent or for sale. For rent I am keeping rupees. I have to mention it will write 6,000. Next. So here you have to give all the details. To select, I will select an image. Now click on next. Next. Submit property. So now you can see that the status, it is showing published. Now I will go to the website. See whether my property is listed or not. Here this is my property, so it is listed. You can see that this is the image I have uploaded for the demo purpose. Here you can see all the options, address, details, features. You can manage all the properties from here, like you can edit, delete, etc. So this is how you can create a real estate website in WordPress. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.